Hey guys, this is Jamie Lola Tallulah, Poet Spice, and I am here to do a Crafter's Companion subscription box unboxing for you. Now, as you know, I typically don't get all of them. Matter of fact, they're on box 28, and I may have 6 total. But this one was cute, so I had to go ahead and get this one. It is the character over the edge box. And when I show you, it's so cute. It is number 28 in the series. And of course, here's the box. Let's see if I can lift you up just a little bit there. So here you go. Box 28. Characters over the edge. So cute. Of course, you know, I always like the over the edge and cute characters. So, yeah. Okay. You have the same typical thing that you normally get. You have your thank you for your purchase. And it's in the same box with the same tissues. And then we have all of the goodies. So you want to see what's in there? Let's see. Let's see. So first of all, we're going to start with the less exciting stuff, in my opinion. The less exciting stuff. So that would be your pack of cards. And what I want, there's supposed to be 24, I think, this time in here. So you've got 1, 2, 3 different size cards, which come with 3 different size envelopes. Now, the good thing about this is you always get a good pack of, you get a good sturdy amount of cards so that you can make several cards. But the good thing about that is you do not have to use them just for this kit, right? All right, so let's look at the next thing, are the papers. So, excuse me, when we look at these papers, they're your plain background papers. So you get these colors, these purple colors. I think they just keep repeating these colors in several boxes because they look just like previous ones. So those are the colors. And then you have your printed ones. So we'll open those for you. And these are always 8 by 8, in case you did not know. So you have this pattern. There's that one. You have this heart. And they're kind of muted colors. This polka dot, this purple, and this one. This one's cute. That's cute. So there is the selection of papers. Then we can get on with the additional things. So I can take one of these papers and turn it over because it's white on the back so that you can see some other items. So here, I like this. What they've done this time is they've given us clear gems. So they look like little dewdrop pearls. And I like the fact that they're clear because you could take your alcohol markers and color these. So you can do it with anything, really. So you can take these and color them up and not have to worry about that. So that's fabulous. You get some ribbons. Yeah, they've repeated these colors. You get some ribbons. Then you get the stamps. Well, I'm going to show you the dies because the dies don't look very interesting. It's like they don't look very interesting. They look crazy. So you get your 2 sets of dies. This one is for the umbrella set, and this one is for the other one. So what it does is cut one side or the other side or the top. And then you could fussy cut and cut the whole thing out if you wanted to. So that's not very exciting looking. But when you look at the stamps, they're so cute. And it will make sense then. So here's the stamp set. You've got your little sentiments. And then look at the kitties. Can you see the kitties? The kitties are so cute. All right, so here's the little kitty cats. And then that die will come and cut around this side. This one will cut this side. And this one here cuts the top. That doesn't look right, but wait a minute. Anyway, you get the idea. Maybe it's that way. But either way it goes. There you go. Kitty, kitty. Nope, this one's on the top like that. So you see that one. And then look at this one. It's so cute. I absolutely love the little puppies in the umbrella. Now let me take it out of the package so you can see it without the writing. So flippin' cute. Now can you see that better? Oh, how adorable. So the die will cut here. There will be one that cuts this side and one that cuts that side. And then look at this little mouse. Oh my gosh, I didn't see the frog in the lily pad. That is adorable. Then you got some little splish splashes. Too cute. Let's see if there's anything we missed on the kitty cat one. And what I do love that they did with this kit is they put the cat and the dog in the same kit instead of, you know, just one or the other. So you've got the little kitties. Oh, there's some balloon flowers and some more bubbles. That is cute. Making memories especially for you. That's so cute. I love it. So yeah, that one was adorable. Had to get it. Absolutely cute. All right, thanks for watching and looking at the unboxing of Kit 28. And I will see you later. You guys be safe out there. Have a good evening. And, you know, pray for some peace in this world. See you later. Bye.